Hi viewers, welcome back PyResearch channel. In this video, we are exploring Geo AI with the help of the computer vision and custom data set and train the model with the YOLOv12. Let's start how we can do it. Image analyzing dashboard. Let's start from sketch. First of all, you can see my screen. Okay, and here normal images, and you can see dashboard will be utilized. Airport, airport. Geoanalyzing means this images get from the satellite, and this images get meaningful data, and we will be converted into the detection part. And how we get this type of activity. Let's start from sketch. First of all, in the meanwhile, the last stage is the their total number of object will be detected 446. Okay, and the majority is the airport, not helicopter, oil tank, plane, and warship. Okay, 18 is the warship. Let me explain to you where is the this name. This one. Okay, I'm copy and find it. This one will be warship 2, 3. Okay, so let's just start from the technical part of coding side and how we train and how we get from the custom data set and where we get from the data set. So let's start from sketch. You can open your browser, Google Chrome, go to the GitHub PyResearch. Okay, here open the notebooks, and we need this report train YOLOv12. Okay, now we need Geo AI data. Okay, you search out this link, Geo, this one, get from the RoboFlow site. Okay, you can see the overview of the dataset, Geo Computer Vision project. You get dataset from the RoboFlow side. Okay, and here dataset is available. It's open, so not anyone to claim to you why you use my dataset. It's free. And airport, helicopter, oil tank, plane, and you go to the images and see airbase images dataset. Okay, so here you get all the images from here. It's easy for you guys. Okay, now we get to dataset in our code side. Okay, download dataset. Here show the code YOLOv12, and obviously we need to copy it. And here I am initialize my notebook file. It's easy for you guys. And installation part, here copy and paste here dataset link, which we get from here. Okay, so we need to wait it about the installation part, then we get the dataset from RoboFlow. Okay, and mention the dataset location and also mention the all paths, and you can see the class's name in our data.yxml file. Fine tune model will be called, and not 100 repos will be need. 10 is enough for us. For the I have already model, but in front of you we are train part first, then we will get dataset means models. After get the models, we will download them in our system, and you can see the locally dashboard this time. Okay, it's easy for you guys. And image analyzing dashboard will be name assigned with the Geo AI. Okay, keep your mind. We will analyzing images Geo AI, and here normal dashboard, total number of images, and limit is 500. If you want to increase, you can do it, but I have 4,000 images, but we choose the 3 to 400 images is fine for testing side. Okay, so you can see this flasher will be installed. So why we choose the Geo AI computer vision. We exploring a lot of videos. You can see this is our channel. We exploring a lot of videos, and here sector of the medical AI normal, and every week we will build the one concept of the uniqueness with uniqueness, and our audience will be like our videos. It's too much achievement for me, and you will subscribe for more getting information updates every week, every means a day. If you want to comment out, we will also support to you guys for the concept, and like long term we cannot support, but short term we will be support and guide to you. And it's free ecosystem will be free with in our YouTube channel, Facebook channel, also the social media site. Okay. So data set is download successfully. Geo one AI. You can see data.y XML file. 5 classes available. Okay. And a fine tune model will be start, and 10 epos will be trained. After 10 part is successfully done, we will get the models. Okay. After models, you can see we utilize the evolution fine tune models, and here matrix, confusion matrix, and also training result, and supervision library will be already installed when we install the YOLOv12. You can see that we find the test the best model, and print the plot, and the running interface will be supervision also, and we get the uh, 0 means one image will be test. Okay. If you want to test more, we can test it in front of you, and our model will be training is ongoing, so we need to wait it for training part. So our model is done, means the post 10 is 0.3 hours will be export, and now you can see detection training, and here best and the last model. Okay. So you also download it, and follow the same steps, and here our second algorithms means step by step will be run, and you can see also result picture. Then we utilize both models in our code, so it's easy for you guys, and it's very easy to understand about the analyzing the images. And here annotation part is very important, but we will use only pre-trained models like get from the RoboFlow, and a lot of models will be available. You can utilize it in your projects, and 8,000 is more data. 8,781 is more data. Need to understand it. Okay. So here will be utilize our see the picture and a result picture, and we will go to the how we get this type of analyzing dashboard will be created. So it's easy for you guys. Okay. First part is you go to the PyResearch, and open the notebooks, and get report by YOLOv12, and utilize this project, this link in our uh, YOLO collab file. Okay. First step is one our is done. Second step is our data set also is done. Third step, we will export our both models. Yes, we export both models. Almost is export is part is done. Okay. So here you can see NMP mean average perception will be here. How much? 0.18, 38, 15, 16. Okay. And show the result of the bounding boxes with the easily to detect the pre-trained model. Not pre-trained, best model, sorry. Okay. So let me show you. Here you can see detection is not going on. Okay, but you change your picture. It's number 4. Okay, let me again call and see the number 4 picture is will be detection part is done or not. Then it's easy for us. So now we utilize our both models here, wait folder. Here you can see best and here, and you need to delete it, and output file is also deleted. I have data. You can see I have test images, and I am just to copy some images from here. This one, uh, it's easy for us. Yeah, 20 to 30 images is shipped. It's easy for us, and here go to weights and here paste here. Okay, you can see we have 399 images in the 2 models, and here our app files. Okay, and you can see install dependency. I have already installed, but in front of you I am install one by one. How to install? Pip install PyResearch. Okay, and you can copy and paste from here. Supervision, and now ultralysis, flask. Okay, and also you can see we need to install OpenCV, Python. So these libraries you need to install. Okay, and spelling mistake, and again in spelling mistake, search. Now it's okay. Obviously we name is the PyResearch is the get from the Python research projects, and we obviously continue with the Python platform programming language. And you can see it's easy for you all of guys, and the installation part is done. And after installation you can see we set up the flask and memory and ensure the directory is okay, uploading and output, and classes is 4 already mentioned, and define the functions extension of the YOLO models, and the processing, performing the object, annotation bounding boxes, and save the images. Also we say utilize the save images. It's easy for us. And define the function of the folder, uh, original, annotate, and count, and load the models. Obviously we use the last. Okay, here define the folder, display dashboard, and post and get method. And obviously here if no post and no utilizer will be facing the issue. And obviously we 2 files HTML will be exported, one dashboard and one HTML, and close the directory and running the code. Okay, so this is the code structure, and now we utilize the code into our CM decided window user make user same steps. You need only 2 words and images for testing, and 1 Python script and models, and copy this link. Okay, and go to browser and paste here. This type of interface will be show. Okay, and Geo AI folder, and name is wait, and test image is here, and I am upload all images. You can see 399 files is available. I am uploading all images again, and upload and analyze, and you can see it's taking time. Processing start, and it will be annotated with airport, shipping, 4 classes is available, so it's easy for us. And in front of you 400 images will be analyzing around 1 to 2 minutes, and see the dashboard and see the interface of images in geo analyzing images. Okay, I mean satellite images, and you can see here airport, and here also airport. And we also put the some shipping pictures. Let me check. Okay, it's airport. Almost too much is airport is available. And airport. Okay, same is airport. This one is okay. It's not will be 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it's now 103 count. Okay. Uh, so it's easy for us to see the our analyzing dashboard will be 24 hours data will be analyzing data, and see the all count very easily. So this is the whole concept. You will learn from this video how we get the Geo AI dataset, and train the dataset. And after training, you export the download the models. After download, you will put in your script. After script, you will see the dashboard will be analyzing the your images. So hope you like it. See you in next video. See you in next tab.